Hi, this is Elisa from WTI. Are you trying to keep your feet warm this winter, but you're trying not to spend more money on shoes? I have the perfect solution for you, and it's this 100% Australian lambswool by ABUSA Insoles. I have been loving these since you can see they're very soft and cozy, but also they're moisture wicking, so if your feet tend to sweat, you don't have to worry about this because it's going to be dry but still warm. I love putting these inside my boots, but you can use it for pretty much any shoe like sneakers, any flats, any slippers, and it'll keep you from being cold, but at the same time you're gonna love the comfort it provides. So during the winter, you don't have to struggle or suffer with cold feet anymore, but you can just get these. Or if you think of anybody, maybe your spouse, your son or daughter that tend to have very cold feet, this would be the perfect gift. I highly recommend them, and that is my point of view.